Mprogramu ya lero ndikufuna ndikakumane ndi Violet Suluma. Iyeyu ndi msungwana kapena mayi wachichepere amene anapanga za nail tech kapena amakonza anthu zala. Ambiri amayi timadziwa tikangotchula nkhani ya manicure kapena pedicure. Ndiye izi ndi zimene amachita ku shop kwake imene anayitchula dzina lokuti Nails by Blue. Ndiye ine Joyful Paliani ndikufuna ndikakumane naye ndimve zambiri andifotokozere komanso timve mbiri yake mwina ife nkutolapo ziwiri kapena zitatu.
Hello. Let me take you around and show you what we do. You're welcome. This is where the little magic happens.
Okay.
So you come in and the client sits here and the nail tech sits there. These are some of the things we use. Tikamapanga nails yo. Izi zinza manja. Matebo sewa ukoso tini matebo ngati 4. Apa pamene timapangano kuphazi kukweta zikanga. You sit there. Mabazi amakhala umu timati ndi chemicals athu ndithu amene timagwiritsa ntchito. Timayika chemicals minimum azotentha ngati like a bubble thingy basin. Umayika mabazi anu zimafewa kenako ndizokhulira ndithu. Timachosa zikanga zonse.
So workspace ya pedicure ndi pamene zala ndi
uko ndi ukoko. Pamene timayikano tipanga display macolors athu onse mabeti ndi china maona maisezera manja kenako you pick your favorite color. Yeah.
Okay. So I think maybe we should get set tiyambe pono kucheza.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Yes.
Tikudziwe amene sakuonera programu iyi akudziwe.
Okay.
Kuti ndiwe ndani.
Okay. Ine ndi Violet Suluma. Komano dzina lina limene andipatsa pambwanga ali excited kwambiri kuti ndabata nali Blessings.
Okay.
But as I grew older, you know how Blessings always amapanga assume kuti ndi zina la Chinyamata. Have you heard of that? Eh?
Yes.
So I liked my middle name better. Before Mampega ayatitsikana kusiyana ndi Blessings. There I use Violet.
Okay.
Ndi makhala planta ya muno ndakulira ku planta ya konkuno. Makolo anga onse awiri amakhala so ku planta ya konkuno koma akulira ku Mwanza nini. The school yanga tapangira ku DMI St. Baptist University. I did Bachelor of Commerce and Finance. I started in 2016, namaliza 2020. The for 2019 to 2020 kunali COVID. I couldn't graduate in 2020, so nabanga graduate 2021 kumayambiriro. Graduated 2021 and that was it about my school.
Chabwino. Now your shop umayitchula kuti Nails by Blue.
Yes.
Tiambire pamene kuti how did that name come about?
Okay, Nails by Blue inayambira ku school. Meaning DMI. So as I said, my middle name is Violet. So you know how there's Blue Violet. So in school I had a friend who was more like a mentor, like a roommate. Then she gave me the name. Now basically my whole university life, everybody knew me as Blue. So it's a continuation. Kwa the Violet name, like Blue Violet. So when I started the nails school, alesa mafusa my nails mabanga kwa ndani kwa blue ndena nkangalina babanga ngali Nails by Blue akazigita ndikachoka ku school gambo banga kuno alese bamango di Nails by Blue. I thought of changing, but I was like, everybody already knows me as Nails by Blue. Now rebranding winner even at how you don't have so
so vai ineono kwambiri chibijanga cause nditamba zimeno mabanga which andifuna kuti ndifotokozere kuti kunoko kweni mumabanga chani
Okay. Kunoko kweni timapanga zala. Ngati mwina mubwera ndi ma natural nails anu alibe china chilichonse, you pick a color of your choice. Tipanga prep ma nails aja kuchosa the dead skin pamwamba, kupanga shape, kuchosa ma cuticles, kukupe mtani, and you walk out happy, meaning you mwasankhira kala yanu. Ena, the natural nails are not as good. They don't feel confident kuti akalendi ma nails are, they prefer kuika. So,
like yours.
Like mine, nail ndaika.
Also, nabanga
konkono. Anandipanga ndi my assistant now.
Okay.
One of them. Ndeno, timapanga stick. Tikapanga stick, zala zija, usankha shape of your choice, and then we will you pick a design that you want. When you pick a design that you want, tipanga nditu tikufusa mwasangala naso, then you walk out of the shop happy. If you feel like not expressing that you're not happy with them, ena wazoda ngobita kina ngozati shepi jasina ndisangalase kunyumba chan, but we prefer kuti munthu anene kuti mwandipanga ndasangala nazo, mwandipanga sizinandisangalase kweni. I think next time I'll pick a different shape chan.
So kwambiri zimene mapanga kuno ndi zala za manja
kuphazi kumnyula zikamwa, like a full pedicure, ndekuti tikhula ena amakhala ndi dead skin, ena amakhala ndi kuphazi kwa rough kuti sikumapkhala soft. So we advise kuti at least 2-3 weeks ngati uli munthu wachoncho uzibwera kuzapangisa, and you feel relaxed also. Yeah, it's like a mini therapy. You get a foot massage kumapeto kwa full pedicure yako, you get your nails painted, and you're good to go. Akakhala zibambo, they just get the full pedicure, full foot massage, and then they go.
Okay, so my services amene mapirika ino kuno
ndamene
chabwino.
We were doing something else. We still are. Komano tukupanga kuti tikhenga takupanga expand muno takukhonza, which is the hair. Yeah.
Okay. Wanena kuti upacha unapanga accounting yet.
Yeah.
Now zalazi ndifuna ndiuza of course kuti unamba uli ku school komano inambika bwanji passion yoyo. Was it something that you learned on amaphunzira pa internet
ena ku school
koma kwa iweyo, when did you discover this talent and how did you start it?
Okay, it started as a hobby. Zija zomwe anthu timakhala nditi ma nail polish kunyumba ndeti zipentana with my siblings. So
how long ago was that?
Zaka zambiri kwambiri.
Maybe 6-7 years ago?
Yeah, maybe, or 8.
8, okay.
Yeah, because that was before I started my university. So I started university in 2016. Then zimanka kuti basi zachibwana, we're just painting each other. Tiziseweresa za azimai samakondokhala ndi ma nail polish chani tizipaka. So when I went to school with my roommates, we used to do it together. Like ndizimpanga, I would just like doing it. Not kuti ndimapangira kuti olo kudziwa kuti it's going to be a professional job for me. I never thought of it. Even if you were to ask me back then, I would say no. Then naveseka zoti tikupanga, and eventually antapeza zoti mwina kunena kuti ifeso tipangeko chanchano pangawo kuta kuti ifeso. So when I went home for end of semester holiday, I talked to my dad and my mom about it. Kuti ine I was thinking kuti bwanji I should get a few things about nail stuff. I should be doing it at school as business, because I had heard there was another girl that was doing it at school and she was making a little something, to my hustle school. So I'm on the food I you will not be concentrating in class, kupanga ndalama mwina uzipeza ndalama kwambiri kumeko uko medwa chani there was a lot koma benakakamira now so I'll be balancing, which I did. I'll be balancing chan ndizipanga uje ni pangono business, pangono uje school, zose zizienda. So there's a mini starter kit. Then people used to sell in amagula pa Alibaba. Kama kala kodi mwakati ma new products. Tata mwana doje pa mwina majoka tinali moten. So I told my dad kuti niendezi mizi mundigulira ndizikapanga ku school. Nde anandigulirani. Ndi napita ku school timaboto doje pata makala. So you just pick like the most loved colors. Muna pink, red, tima light blue, choncho kuti zinto zokuti zisakopanted. So I got those colors and some of the products that I needed and started doing it at school. Entire video say check na kauli kupanga bangazi vitu. So eventually it was tiresome. So I had a friend, I still have, she's still my friend. She has a shop behind immigration. There, I say, shop yako, of course, when this into zako, can I bring my table and my 2 chairs? I'll just be by some little corner. You won't even notice that I'm here distracting you. Chan. And we were sharing a bit of cost, my rentals, Komano sadi 1 billion. I'm not covering a lot of space. So, ndakhala minimum, nakalamo, if not a year, yeah, I think a year or close to 2. Nabeseka zokuti now the business is blooming. Anthu akudziwa kuti ndikupanga maso nthawi imene ndimayamba ineyo. If I remember very well, there were only 2 popular nail techs.
Yes.
So I was like the third one. Yeah, okuti yoziwika. I don't know kuti my area now, komana I mean maziwa. Yeah, matama manina kuti mina tinali kwakuti koma kwadzadza nditabwera kunoko chan. So there were 3 of us.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I would say that with confidence. Kuti I mean maziwa bwino that I won't name them though. Ndeno antambisa kuti mina ena uchoka kumeko kwadzadza mwina ena they don't feel like going outside, they want to try munthu wanywana mina ampa, they would come. So eventually it started becoming crowded. They know I was inconveniencing the person that I was sharing the shop with. I was like, mwina munomo ndidani ndituluke. Basi ndinatuluka ndinapeza another shop right opposite NBS. Panali PTC kale bacha. There is a more mashop age OJB have.
Okay.
So I did set up. I had like 2 tables now, a reception desk and 2 mirrors for hair. Then now I can't be doing it alone. Then nabeza ngati anthu awiri kuti azindithandizira. So that was 2021 kumapeto. I think November and December. Leti kupanga kumekuja napezeka zokuti zinthuzo zambazo kutani kusintha. Business ibeyamba kutani kukula. I'm still getting more people. Mpaka na munthu amene ndinamulemba kuti azipanga tsitsi unampanga kuti iwe zatsitsi zikuoneka kuti ifeyo sizikuenda bwino tasiya zimezi uphunzire izizi bwanje iwe uzipangaso chani zamanews zomwezi. Basi anamba kuphunzira pang'ono iye anaye kuti she has no experience with nails, while the other lady that I had anaye kuti anapita ku school. So she has experience. So it was not difficult for us kuti ningompanga sharpen to my liking and my clients' liking. So eventually anaphunzira and napezeka zokuti ndambangira limodzi. Uyoyo so anaphunzira ndinakanga nditapanga kati nozadani that's it. We were just doing nails. This since it was small, I had like a 3-seat waiting space. Mapesa kuzori padzadza pampando pacha anthu akudikirira mwina anthu 5 akudikirira imuvanga anthu awiri. So we're like maybe we need a bigger space. You see how it's coming up. The bus were like ndedingabeze kuti iko a bigger space. Namba usakasaka and then I found this spot. It was not even done the time that I found it. Neokuti kamapanga maplaster chan. That's when ndinanga mapanga kumuko.
Okay. Tamva at least wanditengirano kuyambira kuli kuskulu usafika kuti passion inachokera kuti komanso kuti unayamba bwanji nawo kufika pano ndimafuna kuti we should go for a quick break. Ngati kuonera programu iyi ndi programu imene imakufika ni sabata ina iliyonse imene makhala kucheza ndi amayi atsikana osiyanasiyana amenenso akuchita zinthu m'miyoyo yawo zimenenso ife tikhoza kusikira kukomeka nazo ndikumachita zomwezo. Ndiye amene ndikucheza naye lero ndi Violet Siluma amene ndi mwini wake wa Nails by Blue manjeniso gawo lathu lotsiriza la programu yathu yamayi lero pamene ndikucheza ndi Violet Siluma amene ndi mwini wake wa Nails by Blue mumzinda uno wa Blantyre. Violet, tipitirize kucheza kwathu. So far kuchokera pamene wandifotokozera utafika lero, what has been your experience? Is this what you expected?
I think I would say, since I was scared, so I would say it's more than what I expected. Because if I like, things are a bit up and down. Mungo badama kulange. Zintu ziri bwino ndithu zikuyenda bwino.
Mene sonka ubera uri mina sunka kwa nitse etc. Ukumakwanitsa.
Bwino.
Chabwino. Mwina ma future plans ako ndotani in terms of expanding your business. You talked about also opening the hair section.
Yeah.
Yes, can you just maybe elaborate a bit further?
Okay, so since we started the other side with doing hair, we were just braiding. Now we're planning at least at the end of this month, the other side of the shop, because it's a big shop, so there's another side that's as big as the same space, So we're planning we should set it up nicely, go make it more attractive, and we should be doing hair.
Zimezo punkaniza kuti ziteka liti. Was about a time frame ya?
Literally by the end of this month. Yes. Ambangale kupanga. Moti muka account mabwe antainale munapeza kuti pateka kale.
Okay. China so chimema funa kuziwa ndicho kuti muna katsiku like roughly on a good day. Mandira twangati muna morning, what time do you open? What happens during the day? My clients muna makala angati
amakwana 10.
Okay. All right.
10 amakwana komana I just don't know kuti from 10 kwamakhozo kafika kati koma ndithu
amata kukha 10 will be beyond 10.
Pena be on a bad day less pena mabuzuri mabeza or pena twawiri oka, especially mid month. You know how people don't prioritize into zina during they're focusing on other things. My month end and it gets really packed.
Navanga employ and to agada me ukwira nchiro pano
and to that ineso ndeni mabira so nchiro ndeni makangara they were servicing like 4 people at once. Damine wakaguka mimi kwabwethu hours kapita kwabwese mina santena 4. That's why mabisa kwazothi we were able to do a number of people.
Koma you're managing mukukwanisa abe bwino.
Simatheka.
When you look back, because I want to point out into CGNDC as your success stories ever since. Now that you're doing what you've always wanted to do,
I'm able to make enough to pay for my expenses and still remain in the change ndeka.
You were supposed to so
kukwanisa kuti uzikwanise ngati nsikana kuti uzuke usambe bwino ukale uchene chanchani simasewera azimayi mafuna
zambi. So at least you're glad uri iweyo by now matters into zimezizi kupanga. My challenge muna amene waona so far doing business into my challenges anje 1 or 2 if you have faced any.
I have. anthu amachionera pansi kwambiri azimayi business iliyonse utakhala mandasi utakhala kuti wapanga mandasi wapeza china chake kwawo zanthu kuti ndimapanga mandasi after mandasi apa ndatsegula bakery anena kuti ayi, and it's not good, and it mostly comes from men. Actually no, it comes from females. Such men, it comes from females. Hey, they're the ones that talk a lot. Instead of talking, tadzuka ni mupange zomwezo. And you tell me, once you put your heart to it, you're committed. Kupanga exquisite plan ya bwino kuti ineyo this business I'm going to do this, and ndizituka mama wabwino nthawi yakuti ndizipanga chakuti ndizipanga analysis zanga model kuti business yanga ifike apa. You have a certain goal, you can do it. You don't need nobody else. You can do it. Bora ukhale ndi confidence kuti uyambe basi. 1 2 our business I can say kuti it's seasonal. Pamakhala anthu ena kuti they don't prioritize having their nails done always. Ndipo anthu ena kuti they prioritize. Then anthu kuti they don't prioritize having their nails all the time. Ajama because they're just doing a tire function. So that means we're only seeing them 3 or 4 times a year, which is a bit of a downfall. Yeah.
Kanya mapunziro education.
Yeah.
And balancing your gifts or your talents, what would be your advice to both now Dimaholo? Yeah.
Okay. School is very important. Even business management, how to manage business, you need school. There's no way you can go Dari without school. Okay, about business, you didn't do school. There are certain opportunities that are given you that requires papers. What are you going to show them? You still need to go to school either way. And you can do your school, your talent a bit. You just need to have a balance of time. Komabe, you need to give school more time. Mind you, I used to do this when I was off school, as in off classes. There was no time whereby I've skipped a class just to go and do nails. Finish your levels, you're comfortable, you have your papers in case business doesn't go your way. Komaso kutukale zero business is abanje.
Pama Pedro nokufuna ukuntengera anthu angodziwa process mene makalira. For instance muntu wabwera afuna kuti apange nails, what happens?
So you come in with your nails, then you pick whether you want to have your natural nails or stick-ons. Stick-ons also, there's gel nails and there's acrylic nails. And there is something we put on top of natural nails if you want to extend them, which is polygel.
And those also have different prices, right?
They have different prices, yeah. Gel is the cheaper one.
Okay.
We prep your nails. Kujosa the top layer, the dead skin, the cuticles. Cut them if you need them shorter. They grew longer. And then we stick the nails with glue. I get my products mostly from within Malawi. I get them locally because I don't like the stress. So most of the things that I'm going to use also, these are I get them locally. Yeah. You stick the nails, you shape them according to the customer's shape, and then you dry the nails after painting using a UV lamp. Yeah.
Process.
After that, to make a cuticle oil, because produce dust. Actually, my nails they have a risky side.
Okay.
The products that we use are a bit hazardous, so like they're a bit risky. Mafungo, madust, jajana. So if you're someone out there and you also want to do this, take note. But when you're according to us, you can't do this. Yeah.
Pamela Mariza, any final words?
I would just like to encourage all ladies out there, asigana, kaya mulima school, kaya I. If you are passionate about doing something, you can start now. You don't need to have a time frame. You don't need to have a lot of money. And I didn't have money to invest in my business when I was starting. Nangoyamba the little thing that I had, of course, which was sponsored, Komabe. So you can start, just be passionate about it. Be confident. Commitment and time management. I'm gonna do this. I'll wake up at this time. I have a client at this time, and I'll make it happen. You can do it. You just need to start. Don't think about it. Don't just make plans. Start. Everything else follows.
Thank you so much for having me, Violet.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Pamene bokutsiriza sokujeza kwathu mu program ya mailero pamene macheza ndi Violet Suluma watsiriza program yo modelo kuti kuti kusangolingalira chabe koma tuyenera titenge step tiyambepo. Don't just think, don't just plan, but do it. Ine tinanga ndi Joyful Banyani. Bambo tidzakhala limodzi sabata yamawa program ngati yomwe.